Hi, I'm Shyamala. I'm parent of Varuna Vasant and I'm from Bangalore. Basically, I'm an interior designer and my child has too many interests and in studies also he was okay types. I was very confused in what subject he has to continue further because there is a choice after his 8th he can take up an additional subject, his subjects of interest, whether it can be computer science, arts, environmental science and also commerce. But I was confused in what way I have to take him further, and nor he was showing interest in too many things like arts, music, and he is a very good orator and he has multi-talented. And I wanted to channelize him, and whatever I say he used to do, but finally ultimately he has to choose it as a profession in future. So I was in that dilemma. That is when my friend recommended, why don't you go in for this process, and it will really take out what is the inherent quality of a child, basically quality in the sense in area of interest where they excel, and what field of interest they excel in future, instead of enforcing what we have in mind. Because in our days it used to be very different, where parents used to say you do PCMB, do engineering and MBBS or something like that. And also commerce was a last thing, unless it's a business family background. They used to take us like that. But nowadays the area of education is so vast, and you have to pick up the right one for the child's capability. That capability and area of interest to channelize, we need a media. Who is going to tell us that? That is where the question was. So that is when my friend recommended, and I called Rakesh ji, and he did a process of brain profiling. This I have never heard of. Just that when I heard from my friend, I went through the net and I got to know how it is going to be helpful for student level. Because brain profiling, as far as I knew, is only for to scan a criminal mind. I was just under impression, what is this? How will it help my child? Will they pull out all the negative thoughts of my child and they are going to educate us? Don't do this, this is not good. No, it was totally a different approach over here. It's more on all positive qualities of a child, and in what all the areas of interest and what vertical he should take it, whether it is a HR admin level or an artistic level or a professional white collar profession, or he can be he also mentioned admin for an office and office administrator. That was very different kind of word. The difference of that I got to know, where my child can sit in one place and he can work under somebody, or he can be on his own, in what way and how, his level of interest and all those things he told us. That was a very amazing thing, and I'm very confident that because I have seen my child from the beginning, what all were his interest, and that was very much matching. So I am very confident with, if I am going and following Mr. Rakesh ji's advice, my child is also going to like that, and he is going to excel and he is going to take it up as a career. So he has advised in the field of art, which none of my family background would accept that, but that is his interest. I have been seeing from the beginning. So now I got an additional confidence that yes, my child will do this. And also I asked him, art field means how will he earn and all those things. Even that he told us there are so many other branches of that where he can take it into a managerial level, because he is a guy who has a leadership quality. Yes, that was also there, but how to put him into the mainstream was a question mark. So all those things was sorted out and clarified by Mr. Rakesh ji. So very useful, and I'm very thankful to Mr. Rakesh ji. And one more thing is my younger daughter. Now after this I had a thought, because I have a chance to put her into CBSE. Right now she is studying in ICSE. So I checked with her also. So he has advised that her pattern of learning, the way of approach to subject, it only CBSE syllabus suits her, right now she may be doing well, and later she may find it difficult to understand or digest the kind of approach in what they have in ICSE curriculum. So I am taking that also as a challenging thing, and I would like to continue that and take his advice, and thank you very much. And for every parent, I think it is a must. This is the order of the day, I guess. They should go by the brain, which part of the brain, like right brain, left brain, which is active. If you push them further, it is going to be very helpful. Even parents will also be happy, and the child also will prosper. So thank you, Rakesh ji. Thank you for everything.